back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. If you've had children in the public school system here in the United States, you have probably heard of IXL Learning before. They do all kind of reading comprehension and math and science and everything on IXL website nowadays. They don't get textbooks to bring home or worksheets anymore. It is all computerized in today's world of technology. They are hiring a math copy editor. Now, this is a freelance position. This is remote for the United States, so this is a 1099 role rather than a W-2 employee, but it seems easy enough. They are looking for somebody to review math word problems and make suggestions to improve the concision, clarity, flow, student engagement, and overall quality of the word problem. You'll proofread it for spelling and grammar errors. You'll collaborate with the math curriculum designers to meet the project deadlines, and you'll have to understand the IXL writing style guide and make sure that these follow that. So you don't actually have to come up with the word problems. You are literally just proofreading them. Now, of course, if you're interested in applying, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video. They do want somebody who has prior copy editing experience, someone who has great attention to detail and the ability to communicate clearly and professionally, but no college degree is required for this position. Now, IXL has a 3.3 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor, and of course, they did not list their pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. I could not find a copy editor position. A math writer who writes those word problems makes anywhere from $81,000 to $86,000. I don't know, again, what the copy editor makes, but there you go. That is at least seem to pay at least decent. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. And if you have any suggestions on things that I could improve to make this channel better and more helpful for you, leave those down below as well. I am always looking to improve, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.